Welcome everyone! Today I'm making the easiest, healthiest, and most versatile pancakes you'll ever try. Just 3 simple ingredients, no oil, and perfect for both sweet and savory dishes. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of whole wheat flour, a great source of fiber and nutrients. 1 cup of unsweetened plant milk. I'm using my homemade cashew milk, creamy and delicious. And half a cup of water to get the perfect pancake consistency. Making the batter couldn't be easier. First, add half a cup of water to the blender to make sure that flour doesn't stick to the bottom. Then, carefully add in the flour. Finally, top it with a cup of cashew milk to seal the flour in the middle and avoid a flour cloud explosion. Blend until smooth for a minute or 2. You see? No lumps, no mess. Now heat up a non-stick pan. No oil needed. Pour a portion of batter and cook on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until bubbles form on the surface. Then flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes till they brown nicely. And repeat. Pile your pancakes on a plate and enjoy them with your favorite toppings. My absolute favorite combination is my homemade Nutella paired with banana slices. Pure indulgence. For a lighter twist, I love them with a creamy tofu and cashew spread and a handful of fresh blueberries. If you're craving something savory, try topping them with sautéed mushrooms and crispy tempeh strips. It's a delicious combination. This truly is a pancake paradise. The flavors are incredible. Thank you so much for watching and bon appetit!